welcome guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Manisha. So in this video I'm going to share a home remedy for grey hair. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the video and check out how I made that. Also we'll be giving you information how to apply that, how long you have to keep it, and after washing what you have to do. So let's dive into the video and see. Guys, things you need for this remedy is half glass of water. So the next item you need is 1 tablespoon of tea. You can use any regular tea. And the next product you need is rock salt, 1 tablespoon. If you don't have rock salt, you can use regular salt also. So now let's make it. So now I have taken a pan. I'm pouring this half glass of water. Now lower the flame, and now I'm putting this tea. And also I'm putting the salt. Stir it well. So you can see the quantity of water is very less and the quantity of tea and salt is more. So the flame is low now. I'll just increase the flame so that it boils and also rock salt dissolves. Now you can see the tea and the salt mixture has come to a boil. I'll let it boil till the quantity of the water decreases. So now you can see the mixture is now half the quantity which I poured. Now I'll just stain this and cool it down. See the mixture is now half the quantity which I took. I'll just cool it down and apply it onto the hair. So guys, I'm going to apply this onto my mom's hair. So I'm going to target the grey hair area only. So let's apply the mixture. So here is the mixture. Rub it gently over the hair. So I'm now sectioning the hairs to apply this. Apply this thoroughly to your scalp and the roots of the grey hair. So guys, I am done with applying and now I have just tied the hair into a bun. So guys, that was the remedy. You have to keep that on your hair or on your scalp for around 40 to 45 minutes, and after that you have to wash it with a mild shampoo. You can use conditioner, but then use a conditioner that is not a leave-in conditioner. Just use it and then wash it. Also you can use this remedy twice a week, and if you have time you can use thrice a week too for best results. So I hope you will try this at home and do let me know how it was in the comment section. Also you can suggest me what other remedies you want me to make a video on. So guys, do like, share and subscribe. So that's it guys. Thank you. Bye bye.